When you manage a busy network, it's a big job to keep it secure and organized. You need to ensure that only the right people have access to your devices, clearly define what each person can do, and track any changes made along the way. Terminal Access Controller Access Control System Plus, or TACACS Plus, is a Cisco-developed protocol that gives you centralized control over authentication, permissions, and activity tracking for your network devices. In this first of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll explain TACACS Plus and how it can help you manage, access, and protect your network with Catalyst 1300 switches next. TACACS Plus provides centralized authentication, authorization, and accounting, often called AAA, for users who manage network devices like switches, routers, and firewalls. TACACS Plus operates over TCP port 49, making it both reliable and secure. I'll break down those three key components, starting with authentication, which verifies a user's identity. It ensures that only people with the right credentials can log into your switches. Next is authorization, which controls what users can do after they've logged in. You might allow someone to only view configurations, give them limited privileges, or grant full access to make major changes. This flexibility lets you tailor permissions to each user's role and responsibilities. The third A in AAA is accounting. Accounting keeps a log of users' activity, such as when they logged in, what command they ran, and when they logged out. By centralizing AAA, TACACS Plus helps you keep your network secure and your management practices organized. There are many advantages to using TACACS Plus with Catalyst 1300 series switches. Because it centralizes user authentication, you can manage access for all your switches in one place. You can create detailed policies that grant or restrict access based on user or group, making it extremely flexible. It even keeps track of actions with detailed system logs. TACACS Plus encrypts the entire packet. This keeps your data secure and makes it easier to make security policies. For TACACS Plus, you can set up a central server such as Cisco Identity Services Engine, ICE, to manage all your accounts and access policies. TACACS Plus can also integrate with external identity sources such as Active Directory or LDAP. Once set up, every time someone tries to log into a Catalyst switch, the switch checks with TACACS Plus server to see if that person is allowed to log in, what they're allowed to do, and it logs their activity for future references. Here's a summary of those benefits for reference. All right, those are the basics of what TACACS Plus does and why it's such a valuable tool for managing access on your Catalyst 1300 switches. Now that you've got a sense of how it works at a high level, click the link for part 2, where I'll get into more of the technical details. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.